This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, a 6 to 10 day forecast that was wetter than had previously been expected kept corn prices under pressure on Monday. Weekly export inspections of 35.8 million bushels was also below the low end of trade expectations and viewed as negative to pricing. After the close, the weekly crop progress report indicated that the corn crop had slipped 4% to a rating of 71% good to excellent. 95% of the corn crop has now emerged. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading 3 cents higher as I record this. Beans started off with the announcement of another sale to China, but that wasn't enough to offset poor weekly export inspections of 13.8 million bushels. Soybean prices were also pressured by a very disappointing May crush report, which showed 169.6 million bushels of soybeans crushed in the month of May. The average trade guess was 173 million. The weekly crop progress report showed 93% of the bean crop now planted, with 81% emerged, and the crop is currently rated as 72% good to excellent. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading 2.5 cents higher. Harvest pressure had Kansas City wheat lower, while Chicago and Minneapolis posted higher closes yesterday. The weekly export inspections came in at a lethargic 16.3 million bushels. The winter wheat crop is now rated as 50% good to excellent, with 95% of the crop headed and 15% of it harvested. Spring wheat conditions remain very good at 81% good to excellent. 95% of that crop has now emerged and 4% is headed out. In the overnight trade, we have Chicago and Kansas City unchanged, while Minneapolis is trading 3 cents higher. Cotton futures retreated, with July futures finishing 83 points lower, settling at 59.01. The planting progress report shows a crop that's 89% planted, with 16% of the crop squaring. The condition was unchanged from last week at 43% good to excellent. In the overnight trade, we're seeing a little rebound after yesterday, with spot futures trading up 65 points as I record this. Livestock futures were all higher for this session yesterday. August live cattle futures finished the session up 67.5 cents, while August feeder cattle were 7.5 cents higher at the closing bell. Lean hog futures gained some ground as well, with the August futures up 62.5 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures had a real nice rally yesterday, with July futures closing up 73 points, settling at 19.27. We're trading an additional 3 points higher in the overnight trade. Meat cutout values retreated again on Monday. Choice box beef was $2.03 lower, closing at $228.61. Select boxes were down $4.92 as they settled at $214.35. Pork carcass cutout values lost ground as well, finishing down $4.53 as they closed at $65.46 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.